Problem 7. A dog food manufacturer has to cut production costs. She wishes to use as little aluminum as possible in the construction of cylindrical cans. In the following diagram, H represents the height of the can in centimeters, and X represents the radius of the base of the can in centimeters. The volume of the dog food cans is 600 cubic centimeters. 7a. Show that H, which is height, is equal to 600 over px to the power of 2. First, we need to take into account the formula for calculating the volume in a cylinder. Although the cylinder is not a prism, it shows many of the properties of a prism. Like prisms, the volume is found by multiplying the area of one base by its height. Since the base of a cylinder is a circle, you need to use the formula of area is equal to PR to the power of 2. But when it is multiplied by its height, we get the formula we are looking for, which is V, who stands for volume, is equal to PR to the power of 2 times height. Since we already have the formula, and by using the total volume of the cylinder, 600 cubic centimeters, which was given before, we can show that H is equal to 600 over px to the power of 2. First, we need to replace the volume of the formula with 600 cubic centimeters. The formula will look like this: 600 p r to the power of 2h. In order to clear h, which is height, we need to move the p r to the power of 2 where the 600 is. Since the p r to the power of 2 is multiplying, it will change to division when moved. The formula will look like this. As a result, we previously just showed how h will be equal to 600 over p r to the power of 2. Question 7b1. Find an expression for the curved surface area of the can in terms of x. Simplify your answer. In these questions, they are asking us to give the expression of the curved surface area, which means we need to use the formula of a hollow cylinder. This means no ends. The formula is A equal 2p RH, but they are asking us to give it in terms of x, so it will look like this: A equal 2px times h. Since we already have the height given by the answer in question 7a, we can replace it in this formula. It will look as follows: A equal 2px 600 over px to the power of 2. The answer can be given like this, but since they are telling us to simplify it, we can cancel the px that is multiplying with the px to the power of 2 that is dividing. However, we can simplify it even more by multiplying 2 times 600. As a result, it will look like this: A equal 1200 over x. That will be the simplest form of A equal 2px 600 over px to the power of 2. Question 7b2. Hence, write down an expression for A, the total surface area of the can, in terms of x. The difference between this question and the previous one is that in this case they are asking us the total surface area, which is why we will be using the formula for a solid cylinder, which is A equal 2pr to the power of 2 plus 2ph, which is height. Even though the formula marks it as r, remember they are asking us to give it in the terms of x. As we did in 7b1, we replace height with the answer in 7a. The formula will be expressed as following: A equal 2px to the power of 2
Created using Powtoon.